Ram Ram, Namaste, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Good evening from India. It is pure joy to see people shine, to see people get aware of their magical strengths, to polish them, to use them, and then fly high effortlessly. This and so much more beyond words are the experiences of Nidhi Gupta. I'm super excited to hear from her. And we have the star coach, Beena Srivastava. Hi.
Hi, Sunny. So, what is the agenda for
आज की
today?
स्टार है निधि गुप्ता. We would love to hear your heartful transformations, aha moments, those moments where you felt so much peace beyond words after joining Success for Coaches.
Hi everyone. Hi Sunny. Hi Beena. Thank you so much. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
कहाँ से शुरू करें? आई थिंक जर्नी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हो गई है लास्ट 3-4 मंथ्स में, क्योंकि हीलिंग हुई पहले, फिर कोच बने, लेकिन कोच बनने के बाद करना क्या है वो मुझे नहीं पता था. कैसे करना है, बस करना है कुछ, ये पता था. तो दैट क्लैरिटी really came when I joined Success for Coaches, because tab I could reach after that more people. I could, express myself freely and more openly. Uh, थोड़े बहुत fears जो थे regarding I think social media and making videos, which I recently overcame, and कुछ inhibitions जो रह गए थे. You know, like people always tell me, जब अगर कुछ गलत हो रहा होता है या मेरे से कोई गलती होती है, तो इवन माय हस्बैंड वुड से, यार तुम तो अब लाइफ कोच हो, तुम तो ऐसा मत करो. तो माय रिप्लाई टू हिम इज कि आई एम अ लाइफ कोच, आई एम नॉट गॉड. मैं भगवान नहीं हूँ, मुझसे भी गलतियां होंगी. बट इट इज वेरी क्विकली दैट आई रियलाइज, विद इन 30 seconds, विद इन अ मिनट, दैट आई एम judging somebody, I am being impolite, or I am getting angry, and I take a step back, I calm down, and I just try to understand ki why I am feeling a particular emotion, why is it, that something is happening to me, and I remain silent now. Whereas earlier I used to be very reactive, तो वो बहुत था. और एक बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट जो मुझे लगता है लास्ट 4 मंथ्स में, 3-4 मंथ्स में हुई है, दैट इज रिगार्डिंग माई हेल्थ. लाइक इट्स very very purely, there's something called self control ना, खाने खाने पे कंट्रोल कर पाना. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि आई एम अ वेरी बिग फूडी और ऐसा कुछ, बट पीपल यूजुअली थिंक जो मोटा होता है दे ईट मोर, ऐसा भी नहीं है. बट यस, इफ आई वांटेड, व्हिच आई वांटेड, आई वांटेड टू रिड्यूस माय वेट, आई वांटेड टू reach an ideal weight, and for that I have been trying for last 1.5 year with a personal trainer, but it was not giving me that kind of results. Like, the results were in form of, more energy, flexibility, because I was doing yoga and breath work. So my lungs capacity increased. All of these things happened. I, go into a meditative state. Earlier, I couldn't walk even for 5 steps, like, and especially I live in mountain area, so it's kind of little difficult for somebody who has a weak lungs or lung capacity. So that improved for me tremendously. All those things happened, but weight control, I reaching towards my ideal weight was not happening. And this has started happening recently. I'm very happy to share that so many things that were still, not working for me, even after becoming a life coach, certified life coach uh, from a person who was, very very negative and always feeling depressed or always living in anxiety and fears, to the person that I am today, very confident, very active, very energetic, very on time always. I think even before time, if not on time. And it's just everything is happening effortlessly. It's not that I have to push myself, drag myself, you know,
Different.
कि
यही
मुझे
चाहिए.
करना पड़ेगा. All those things are not there. Like there is a flow. I'm going with the flow. If anything happens, I just relax and I let it happen. So that,
रिलेशन में क्या चेंज आया है, क्योंकि वो भी एक बहुत बड़ी सक्सेस होती है एक वाइफ में, एक लाइफ कोच में.
see, बहुत important था मेरे लिए मेरा relationship, especially my relationship with my husband, which we've known each other for almost 17 years now, more than 17 years, and we've been married for 10 years. So स्टार्टिंग में वो अट्रैक्शन, वो लव ना, फिर शादी की वो सब चीजें जो भी होती हैं, एंड उसके बाद एक फेज आता है कि आप हस्बैंड कहीं बिजी है, वाइफ कहीं बिजी है, बिकॉज यू आर टेकिंग ईच अदर फॉर ग्रांटेड. So I think in my relationship that stage had come, by 8 years of marriage. In the past 2 years I was very unhappy with the way things were going for me. But in the last 1.5 year, the way I have, you know, been taking things, I really worked, you know, very dedicatedly. Ki this is every area of my life, especially now my relationships, like I talked about my health also, my career also, but my relationship is equally important. And the best thing that I did was I improved my relationship with myself. And that really helped me understand that my husband is a different human being. He does not think like me. He may not always agree with me. He may not do things my way. So I really accepted him for the person that he is. And I think he is also now, I didn't change a thing in him. And just I changed myself. And with that, I think my relationship totally transformed with him.
बस यही गोल है सक्सेस फॉर कोचेस का. इनर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ पीपल. हम चेंज करना बंद कर दें दूसरों को. वेरी वेरी नाइस. मूविंग अहेड, निधि, you have lot of transformations in terms of business, clients, getting to old clients, and उससे पहले मैं पहले abundance blocks, money blocks, receiving, phone calls, उसके बारे में छोटा सा बता दो कि कैसे you embraced abundance और opened up to receiving, क्योंकि वो confessions बहुत सारे हैं.
So finding clients, like I said, when I came to you guys, and I really understood कि कई जादू से लीड्स प्रकट नहीं होंगी. लीड्स हमारे आसपास ही है. बीना, you really, one thing that you told me, that leads are everywhere and sales is service. I think it's really the best thing you could have taught me, and this has really got instilled in my mind. And using that, when I approach people, with all the genuine care and love that I had for them, that yes, there is an opportunity, I am capable, and I am able to help you with this. Would you like to go ahead with that? And no matter what, I also understood that, like I had my blocks, people also have their own blocks. So maybe right now somebody is ready to pay 5,000, then it's okay. I take them for a very uh, light kind of a session, maybe 2 sessions or like that. And if they are able to go beyond and purchase a high ticket program for me, so I was able to close 2 clients, and I'm currently making a batch of high ticket clients. 2 are already closed, and in fact, I was about to close 4, but I am not working on that currently. The money will come, I know that. They have already agreed, the other 2 people. But just that because I'm in a phase of transition right now, so I'm not moving on ahead with that very fiercely, right? So I think that is really going great for me. And in terms of money that I have invested, I think really money has started coming in. Even रात को 10 बजे I get some message कि 2000 किसी ने ट्रांसफर किया है, किसी ने 5000 ट्रांसफर किया है. My fee for the graphotherapy and that is like everyday income. And the best compliment I could have gotten, because my husband is an officer and I live in this kind of community. So these people, when they see that, sometimes I'm in the car, sometimes we are in a party, and I just get a message and I just share with everyone that in my group that I received just 5,000, and they are like, मैम हम इतने सालों से घिस रहे और आप एक दिन में 8-10 हजार तो ऐसे ही कमा लेते हो. तो आई एम लाइक, यार मैंने इतनी मेहनत करी है, इतना इन्वेस्ट किया
आपको
है
ये
टाइम
बोलना
मनी.
चाहिए था, पहले फ्रीबी माइंडसेट, मैंने इतनी फ्री सेवा की है, आज उसका फल मिल रहा है. और
एब्सोल्युटली.
मुझे ये भी जानना है निधि मैम, आप पहले बहुत फ्री सेवा करते थे, इसको भी फ्री, उसको भी फ्री, ग्राफोथेरेपी भी फ्री, ग्राफो एनालिसिस भी फ्री, सिग्नेचर भी फ्री. आज आप अपने को वैल्यू कर रहे हो, तो वो 2 पीसेस ऑफ एडवाइस क्या होंगी जो लोग आज भी फ्री कर रहे हैं?
डेफिनेटली. अगर जब आप स्टार्ट करते हैं, आई थिंक जैसे मैंने स्टार्ट किया था, मैंने बहुत भी फॉर टेस्टिमोनियल्स एंड द वे इट दिस बिजनेस वर्क्स, मैंने वो सब फॉलो किया जो मुझे सजेस्ट किया गया था मेरे कोचेस या मेंटर्स से. But to an extent, when you are really confident with your work and you know that the stake the other person has, is a big stake, that their life is depending on it, they will only commit and you can hold them accountable when they have invested an amount with you. Otherwise, आप उनको कितना भी ज्ञान दो, कितने भी सजेशन दो, उनकी कितनी भी हेल्प करो, it will all go down the drain because they are not accountable. They cannot be, क्रॉस क्वेश्चन कि आप, मैंने आपको बताया था आपने क्यों नहीं किया. हम किस अथॉरिटी से बोले भाई, हमने तो उनकी फ्री में सेवा करी है ना. तो उनसे पूछ नहीं सकते, हक से नहीं पूछ सकते कि भाई तूने ये क्यों नहीं किया. जब पैसे दिए हो किसी ने और आपको वो अथॉरिटी दी हो कि हाँ तुमको पैसे दिए भाई, मेरे को ये चीज चाहिए अपने लाइफ में, तब मैं बोल सकती हूँ ना कि हाँ भाई यू हैव टू वर्क लाइक दिस. आई कैन मेक दैट वर्क ओनली व्हेन दे हैव दैट कमिटमेंट. सो विदाउट मनी देर इज नो कमिटमेंट, and without commitment there is no result. I think that's the best advice for.
चलो, 5 reasons why people should take success for coaches immediately.
Oh my god, that is very very special. See, success for coaches is just not like Beena and Sunny. It's a very very beautiful family. Okay, so you never feel alone, you are never judged.
यानी रोज प्यार मिल रहा है.
हाँ, उस पे मैं आ रही थी. अब मेरे को ही बोलने दो सनी. इतना प्यार मिल रहा है, इतना लव मिल रहा है, इतनी ब्लेसिंग्स मिलती हैं दिन रात, जो ऐसे इतनी हैंड होल्डिंग होती है और एकदम पर्सनली. इट्स नॉट लाइक thousands of people में you are one, just somebody sitting online with a name or an online profile. It's very very personal with you guys, and the kind of direction that you give, the kind of clarity that you give. So even after becoming a professional coach, when one doesn't know where to find a client, I think you are the best, you know, in that space. You are doing some really great work. I have been able to cross, like I shared with Bina a few days ago, I have crossed 3 lakhs. So in the last 4 months. So yes, I think that is a very big deal for me. And anyone who is into this work, life coaching, any kind of coaching, and doesn't know कि clients कहाँ से लाऊं, so definitely this is the right place. They should come to you guys. And the holistic approach that you have, you help with very very small things also, जो किसी ने सोचे भी नहीं होंगे, आप उस पे भी ध्यान देते हो. Because in a big community you cannot get that personal touch. And definitely that is the most special thing about you guys. The brain master Sunny, the amazing marketer and coach Bina. So your own, all of these unique qualities that you have, Sunny, and that Bina has, the combination is really, it's like a very, very, what should I say, sweet surprise. So when I came to you guys, I was not that much excited, or I was like, okay, ठीक है, कुछ हो जाएगा. But when I really started working with you guys, that's when I realized कि कितना कुछ और हो सकता है. And one day I realized that for me, high ticket is possible. I really got that after one of the sessions. Pina knows about that session. We were doing a smoke call, and that was a really groundbreaking moment for me. And after that call itself, I was able to take money from my two high ticket, clients. So before that, I was selling for a very low price, and I am okay to admit that because my money blockages are removed now, and I'm very comfortable in asking for that amount because I know I'm giving much more value than what I'm charging. So
यही
you guys
रियल
are really
सक्सेस है,
awesome.
यही रियल सक्सेस है। जो ब्लॉक से उठ के हम आज हाई टिकट पे आए, क्योंकि हाई टिकट वाले को हाई टिकट कराना, जो कॉन्फिडेंट है बाय बर्थ बाय जेनेटिकली, उसके लिए कोई वो बड़ी बात नहीं है। सो ब्लॉक रिमूवल, हीलिंग, रिलेशनशिप्स, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, यही है भगवान की ब्लेसिंग निधि। सो दिस इज जॉय। अब मुझे ये बताओ जो लेटेस्ट सक्सेस है। भैया, आई लव माई सेल्फ, आई लव माई बॉडी, आई लव वीडियो, आई लव कैमरा। और सनी, बिल्कुल सही लग रही हूँ अब मैं पूछ रहा हूँ फेशियल करा लूं मैं? मैंने फेशियल नहीं कराया, तो उसके बारे में क्या कहना है? वो लेटेस्ट सक्सेस है आपकी, वीडियोस।
So videos, like Beena has really gone, above and beyond, I think, in giving that personal touch जिसके बारे में मैं अभी बोल रही थी. Just one day I shared with her on, I think, a message or in one of the sessions that Beena, I want to record my videos. I have all the content ready. पता नहीं कितने महीने से मैं content तो मेरे पास बहुत है, but I'm not able to record my videos. And she, with so much love, she just said, निधि बताओ कब करें वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, हम सब मिलके रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. And this last Monday, we were all went online. Beena was there. Our Tusi Pyari Si community was there, and we were just recording videos. Oh my god! And look at my video. Like you said in the beginning of this call, Sunny, कि ऐसा वीडियो लग ही नहीं रहा कि वो फर्स्ट वीडियो. आई थिंक बीना ने बोला या आपने बोला.
मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया था, सब सच धज के आना, आज हम रील्स बनाएंगे।
मुझे
मेकअप।
खुद ही यकीन नहीं हुआ कि ये मैं, मतलब when I was looking at the video कि मैंने ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड किया, I was not able to believe it for a minute. The way the flow went, and we were able to complete 10 videos for reels, and I was able to record my 5 free trainings which I already uploaded on my web page also and in my private Facebook group. I
हो गया।
think that was a very big achievement for me. And this little bit of external push, from Beena, and this brain tactics, all that you teach us, Sunny, in your brain mastery classes, I think both are really helping me. जब भी मुझे कुछ चीज कहीं मैं स्टक होती हूँ, तो आई ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कहाँ स्टक हो रही हो यार. सनी ने ये बताया था, मैं क्या हूँ, फिर मुझे क्या, किस पे ज्यादा काम करना है. I always go into that and think like that, and that's why last 3 days I have been so super duper productive. I'm like, what?
यहाँ पे एक गलती हो गई, संडे भी आपने एक लाइव किया था और सबके सामने ऑब्जेक्शन हैंडलिंग ऐसे किया था जैसे प्रो थे आप। तो उसके बारे में बताओ कि ये कॉन्फिडेंस, ये स्टाइल, ये आपके अंदर
I think it confidence, the way you sold, like I got sold on your offer, and we were on a live, you demonstrated it. So how did you get that confidence, Nidhi?
Veena, only because of you. And I think I really understood इतनी सारी आपकी जो सेल्स मास्टरी की क्लासेस आप करते हो every, I think, Monday and Friday, we are going through that. And the way you also ask questions, you always ask us कि कहाँ stuck हो, आप कितना improvise करते हो. And इतनी हेल्प मिली है उससे मुझे, उन क्लासेस से, उन सेशंस से. एंड देन वी डिड so many mock practices on calls, and I watched the previous recordings also जो मुझसे पहले हुए थे. So only after that, when I did, one to one on camera with somebody from our group, and that day I realized whatever mistakes I am making after seeing my video recording, you know
वो तो
and
वेबिनार था निधि, लाइव Unknown
She's
audience के
telling how
साथ.
she improvised on that day when
Me,
she did
yeah.
the demonstration. After that, the next day, I think you saw all the videos of role plays,
You.
no? The
Yeah.
entire day you were doing that. Yeah.
So next day I just kept practicing, and this Sunday when Beena said कि आ जाओ close करो, that was so instant, impromptu thing. And I was not expecting to do that, but I was able to do that successfully. And after that, my confidence even doubled. So everything that you guys are teaching, it's like in a way, आप theory में कराते हो, फिर आप practical में कराते हो. So that is the best part. Because जैसे ही हम उसको practical में करते हैं, and we can see ourselves कि where we are making mistake or lacking, immediately we use the theory and correct ourselves practically. I
यही
think
सब
that has really helped me.
थियरी प्लस प्रैक्टिकल
Absolutely.
मॉक होना चाहिए और आपकी फिनेस आनी चाहिए और वो आ रही है मैजिकली
We are
ब्यूटिफुली.
so proud of you, Nidhi. One question from my side. What will be your suggestion to all the life coaches and healers who are struggling and going back to their jobs just because they cannot sell? What is your suggestion? Because they have the heart to serve the world, right? But it's only because they're not able to sell, they're feeling so contracted and depleted and depressed, right? Which is making them go back to their job. So, what's your suggestion to them?
So Pira, like the example that you are giving right now, कि उन लोगों को क्या suggestion दूं? In one, before I joined you guys, I was also in that space only. I was doing something, but I was so stuck, so lost. And I also had this feeling little bit somewhere, even though I didn't share it with anyone, but today I'm sharing it with you guys. And even I didn't tell you guys also, that I was feeling at that. But maybe you already knew that and you understood it, right? That's why I was able to join you guys with so much of love and care. Who, whoever is in that space and gotten stuck, they also need to understand जो हम अपने कोची को भी सिखाते हैं as a life coach, that there is a solution to every problem, right? So if you are a life coach, you're not able to sell, you only need to see ki where you'll find the right tools, right direction, you know, where you need to understand जो आपने नहीं सीखा है वो आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. And for that, again, if it requires an investment, go ahead and take that leap of faith. I did that and I am able to produce the required result. And I am at a space where 1 year ago, my husband was asking, तेरी website तो कभी नहीं बनेगी. He was the one who told me. And yesterday when I gave him the link of my webpage and he was like, I'm sorry I said anything to you. I am not going to ask you questions after this. So anything, if you are working on something and you are fairly new to it, it does take time. But with the right kind of help and support, with the guidance that you guys are giving, I think we can overcome any hurdles, be it selling high ticket or, making videos or creating the content that is required or being able to deliver on time, being confident on the camera. I think the way I am so fluent right now और मैं बोले ही जा रही हूँ, आप लोग को बोलने ही नहीं दे रही हूँ, है ना? ये भी तो यहीं से आया because you guys have made us so comfortable.
यही चाहिए मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. सारे कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाएं कैमरा पे और अपनी स्टोरी बताएं. उनका वॉइस उनका मैसेज बन जाए. लेगेसी है ये. और आपकी खुशी. वाह. दिन बना दिया आपने. दिन, हफ्ता, साल, महीना, जिंदगी बन गई हमारी. ऐसे ही रहना है हमें हाई वाइब्स में. एंड इसीलिए मैंने मनी के सवाल नहीं पूछे आपसे क्योंकि मनी इज जस्ट अ बाई प्रोडक्ट एंड इट कम्स when you are healed, when you are ready, when you are open. अब आप अपने, why do you love Nidhi? What are 5 things you love about Nidhi? वो बताओ.
Wow. So I really love, that जो भी कुछ भी हो रहा हो, I think the best thing about me is anything, no matter what may happen, I can always see that there is a brighter side to things. I never give up on anything. मुझे कुछ भी करना है ना, no matter how hard it seems, however, you know, people will say, oh, ye kaise hoga, it's impossible. So I always see that anything is possible. I think that's the best part of me. और कोई कितनी भी negative situation में होना, even before I became a life coach, when I was struggling with my health, I avoided surgery twice, going under a knife. I avoided it twice, and I healed myself with homeopathy without any kind of surgery or operations. So I think I'm always that person. मेरे को निधि से इसलिए बहुत प्यार है क्योंकि उसमें इतनी पॉजिटिविटी है, इतनी करेज है टू, एंड दैट फेथ इज देयर, दैट सरेंडर इज देयर कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा. समहाउ एवरीथिंग विल, जो भी हो रहा है अच्छे के लिए हो रहा है, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. जो हो रहा है बेस्ट हो रहा है, इसमें भी कुछ अच्छा ही होगा. हर चीज में अच्छा ही देख लेती हूँ यार मैं. इतनी भी बेकार सिचुएशन हो उसमें मैं अच्छा देख लेती
बस.
हूँ. एंड पीपल एक्चुअली 10-10 साल से लोग जो मुझे जानते हैं या 20 साल से जानते हैं सनी, in the last 6 months, whenever I've met someone, after this 2 years of healing and becoming a coach journey of mine, in the last 6 months, people have told me, Nidhi, you are a very strong woman. You always speak your mind. We are so inspired by you. You never give up. कैसे कर लेती हो, इतने challenges आते हैं, मूव करते रहते हैं हस्बैंड के साथ, फिर भी some, and you're always learning new things. So I think there is so much to Nidhi जो मैंने अब डिस्कवर किया है, और भी ज्यादा, लास्ट 2 years में. बट ऐसा नहीं कि वो मुझ में था नहीं, इट वॉज ऑलवेज देयर इन मी, जस्ट दैट धीरे धीरे हमें रियलाइज होता.
बहुत सुंदर. और मेरे को लगता है कि एक ही गोल है, हर कोच अपने आप से इतना प्यार कर ले. सो निधि, ये 5 पॉइंट को अपने दिल में संभालो, समेट लो, और ऐसे ही शाइन करते रहो.
थैंक यू
Thank
सो
you
मच
so
सनी.
much for being
God
here,
bless you, Nidhi.
inspiring us, being the star student, being the star coach, being the best graphotherapist, and most of all, you are a giver. You have given a lot. You're only earning blessings, and it is coming back to you. All the good is coming back to you. Thank you.
Just one more point I would like to add about Nidhi. What I personally felt that, we've been working with so many people, but there's one thing that's so special about Nidhi is that she's a very, very empathetic person, and with which is a core component of being a great coach. So I always, in the first meeting when we met on the clarity call, that day itself, I told her, Nidhi, there is something so inspiring about you. Your presence is so beautiful, and that always shine forth. I'm sure after listening to her story, you all would have got inspired, and you would have also connected that, how great as a soul she is. So if anybody has any kind of relationship issues, or somebody is there in your friend circle or community who really needs help in relationships, so there are multiple ways she can help you with. Do connect with her, DM her, because you cannot miss to be with a person like her if you really want to come out of that space where you are right now. So thank you so much, and Nidhi, keep shining. Our best wishes are always with you. We love you for who you are as a person, and all that matters is how happy you are in this journey. So God bless you and take care. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Divine blessings and immense gratitude, Beena and Sunny.
Thank you. Ram Ram.